this video, we're going to show you the features under the maintenance button on the all bottle 704 and the all bottle 1504. To access that menu, we're going to turn the key switch off, hold the L button as we're turning the key switch on. As you notice, you'll see maintain ring and portion cal. First, we're going to go to the maintain ring. So I'm going to press the S button to get into the maintain ring screen. Now you're going to see test ring and align ring. We're going to go into the test ring feature. So I'm going to press the button under the test. I'm going to take the activator ring and I'm going to invert it empty. Now, as you see, the numbers are all relatively high. With the coded pores, this is a code 1. So the number that associates with the coded pore, the band is on top, so that would be the first number. And there's no bands on the second or the third spot, so the numbers will read different. So I'm going to invert the code 1, and you'll see where the band is a relatively low number. Where there's no bands, it's a relatively higher numbers. So now I'm going to take a code 2 pore where the band is in the middle. Now the numbers will pertain to where the band is. When I insert it, you'll see relatively high numbers on the first line. The middle is where the band is, which is relatively low, and the third number is relatively high. Now I'm going to take a code 3 pore, and I'm going to insert it in the ring. There's 2 bands on this pore, so the first number and the second number are relatively low. The third number is high. With the code 4 pore, the band is at the bottom. When I insert it into the ring, you'll see high number, low. It always correlates to where the band is where the low number is. This is a code 5 pore. I'm going to insert it into the ring. You have a band at the top, none in the middle, a band at the bottom. So your numbers are low, high, low. This is a code 6 pore. I'm going to insert it to the ring. There's no band on top, but there's a band in the middle and a band at the bottom, and you notice those numbers are low. This is a code 7 pore. There's 3 bands on it. So all the numbers, when I flip it over, should be relatively low, which they're all zeros. So now we've read the codes and we've maintained the ring.